Ni hao, welcome to Fluent Mandarin. Today we're talking about dumplings. On the first year of my teaching, I had designed some lessons for my students regarding Chinese festivals. At that time, I just noticed why there's so many food called dumplings. Like normal dumplings, like rice dumplings, sweet dumplings, soup dumplings. Actually, they're not dumplings. Today, I'm going to introduce you the correct way to say those food. First, 饺子, 饺子. This is most common food in northern China. Let's read one more time. 饺子. Second, fried dumplings. In northern China, we call 锅贴. 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 People live in South China call 煎饺. 煎饺. In Lantern Festival, people like to eat 元宵, 元宵 or 汤圆, 汤圆. In Dragon Boat Festival, people like to make 粽子, 粽子, 粽子. If you're planning to go to Shanghai or Hong Kong, don't miss 小笼包, 小笼包, 小笼包. Let's review. 饺子, 锅贴 or 煎饺, 元宵 or 汤圆, 粽子, 粽子, 小笼包, 小笼包. 再见。